Hello, welcome back to my channel. Name is Rakesh. So before getting into today's topic, let me thank you guys. Thank you very much for such wide range of acceptance, for showing so much love in the form of subscriptions, kani, in the form of viewership, kani, and thank you very much. I was really overwhelmed to see such kind of acceptance from you guys. Just to let you know, there is a larger agenda to my channel. Now we are talking about the energy levels, or cleaning your body, or detoxing your intestines. With time, when the world goes back to normal, when gyms open, maybe we can also I will also share my experience working out, or we will also talk about the workout plans, diet plans, postures, right weight for your body, and breathing techniques as well. So there is a lot more in the store, so keep subscribing and keep supporting. Thank you very much. So now, without any further ado, we will jump into today's topic, which is fasting. ఉపవాసం అండి, చాలా 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్ మన బాడీకి. ఉపవాసం ఈజ్ లైక్ గివింగ్ యువర్ సిస్టమ్ ఆర్ గట్ a little breather to clean itself. Because what happens is, when you eat any kind of oily food, any kind of food, in fact, especially oily food, you will notice that there will be a little oil left, or sticking to your spoon కానివ్వండి, fingers కానివ్వండి, plate కానివ్వండి, and that is what will happen to your intestines also. Intestines, in fact, to talk about intestines very particularly, the length of the intestines will be 3 to 4 times of your height. So for example, 6 feet, my intestines will be 20 to 24 feet, and that oily, sticky thing, greasy thing will stick along the entire length of the intestines, which is not good at all. సో మనకు ఫాస్టింగ్ చేస్తే అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఏంటి అంటే, దట్ ఇంటెస్టైన్స్ క్లీన్ అయ్యే టైం దొరుకుతుంది దానికి, బాడీకి. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఫీడింగ్ యువర్ బాడీ ఎవ్రీ 3 to 4 hours, there is no harm. For sure you have to eat, but once in 14 days, if you, or once in 1 month at least, if you try and not put food into your intestines, then your intestines or your gut will get time to clean itself. And to enhance the cleaning effect, if you can have a little warm water with honey and lemon in the morning, and దాని తర్వాత మళ్ళీ a little specially designed what to eat, what not to eat, and evening ఒక చిన్న snack, and then before sleep have a little water and go off to sleep. So this we will talk in detail. So, but today's plan is how to clean your system. So how I plan to clean my system is by fasting every alternate Monday. Why is it alternate Monday? Why not Monday? Is because there are few other things to fall in place. So I'm waiting for few things. For now, it is alternate Mondays. Why on a Monday again? We all know, universal fact is that Sundays are the days that we eat big. I eat big. When I say I eat big, I don't bunge on the deep fry food, or anything from outside. Whatever I eat, that will be home cooked food. So a lot of non-veg. Most of the times, it will be lamb, white rice. So unnecessary fat ఉంటుంది, carbs ఉంటాయి, starch, so many other things. So for me to get rid of those extra things, or a little overload of the previous day, which is Sundays, I try and fix my fasting day on Monday. Okay, so as soon as I get up, I will have a glass of warm water with one lemon or half lemon squeezed into it, with 2 tablespoons of honey. ఇది a very staple early morning drink for me. Doesn't matter అది it could be what fasting day or normal day. This I do every morning. దాని తర్వాత completely no breakfast at all. 6 to 8 hours basically. 6 to 8 or 6 to 10 hours you can go without eating, when you were eating normal on the other days. Okay, so I would say go without food for at least 6 hours. మీరు మార్నింగ్ 8కి, ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ అప్ 9 వరకు ఫ్రెషన్ అప్ అంతా అయినా కానీ 9 to afternoon 3 వరకు ఏమీ తినకుండా అట్లీస్ట్ ఉండాలి. That is when your system will know how to transfer fat into energy. That is when it will get time. It knows how to transfer fat into energy, but that is when it will get time to do that. Because we are used to eating every 3 to 4 hours, our body also adapted that process, and every 3 to 4 hours it will give you an alarm saying that I'm hungry, I need food, I need energy. That doesn't mean you are running out of energy or anything. ఇట్ ఓన్లీ మీన్స్ దట్ టైం అయింది, నాకు ఇది అలవాటు అయింది అనేసి. బట్ వెన్ యూ do not take any food, your body in half an hour or 1 hour will understand and start using the already stored energy, which is fat, and run your body for the rest of the day. So what I do is మార్నింగ్ లేవగానే ఆ వామ్ వాటర్ తాగేస్తాను. దాని తర్వాత బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ అండ్ లంచ్ అబ్సల్యూట్లీ నథింగ్. ఇన్ ది ఈవినింగ్ I will have a little smoothie. So how do I make my smoothie is I put all simple things, and I put whole milk. I will not do it any, and I'll not use any fancy thing like toned milk, skimmed milk అట్లేం లేదు. I put whole milk, ఇంట్లో వచ్చేటివి నార్మల్ ఆవు పాలు. I put a banana. I put, if any other fruit is available, I put khajur in that, little energy, little sugar. Then I will try and add ఒక 4-5 తొడమెల ఏమంటారు పాలకూర, స్పినాచ్, అండ్ బాదాం ఉంటే బాదాం వేసుకోండి దాంట్లో, సోక్డ్ బాదాం వేసుకోండి దాంట్లోనే. ఆల్సో try and make sure you add homemade peanut butter. I will make a separate video on how to make homemade peanut butter, which is beautiful food. అంటారు జమీన్ ఆస్మాన్ ఫరక్ ఉంటుంది. ద పీనట్ బటర్ దట్ యు బై ఫ్రమ్ అవుట్ సైడ్, పీనట్ బటర్ విచ్ యూ మేక్ ఇట్ అట్ హోమ్. వెజిటేబుల్ ఆయిల్ లేకుండా చేస్తాం మనము, దట్ ఈస్ ద బిగ్గెస్ట్ డిఫరెన్స్. ఎనీవేస్, సో put a tablespoon of homemade peanut butter. దాంట్లో now considering banana, milk, khajur, homemade peanut butter and spinach, we are getting minerals, we are getting fat, fiber, protein, everything in 1 cup of, or one big glass of smoothie. దాంట్లో you have enough energy, honestly speaking. అది ఒకటి తాగేసినారు అంటే దట్ I have. దాని it will be around 5:36 or little past 6. దాని తర్వాత when it is time to sleep, have a good big glass of water and go off to sleep. ఒక half an hour 1 hour ఆకలి అయినట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది, బట్ దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ద రియల్ హంగర్. దట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ యువర్ బ్రెయిన్ గివింగ్ indications to your body that it is been a while that you ate, now you eat. అంతేగాని it is not that you are running out of energy. We have lot of energy. At least for 1 day in 15 days we can run our body without food for sure. ఏమీ కాదు మనకి. In fact, it has advantages. So this is my plan, this is how I do it. You may want to try it differently. You can put that in the comments. If you are a big guy, if you are lean, ఒకరి metabolism rate different ఉంటుంది, ఒకరి hunger rate different ఉంటుంది. So based on that you can add your comments. Maybe I'll try and respond to those. But ultimately this is the best thing. Try fasting once in 15 days. That is the point. సో ఇక్కడ చూసుకున్నట్టయితే మీకు దేర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ డీటెయిల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అబౌట్ ది అడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఆఫ్ వామ్ వాటర్, లెమన్ అండ్ హనీ అండ్ ద స్మూదీ. సో కమింగ్ టు వామ్ వాటర్, if you can incorporate this, ultimate result will be flat tummy. Behind the screen will be detoxing your body or cleaning your gut. See, at any given point of time, if your gut is heavy, if your tummy is heavy, you'll feel lethargic. If your tummy is clean and neat, you'll feel energetic. That is the point. That is one of the reasons why you'll have to incorporate warm water, lemon and honey into your daily routine. Coming to the smoothie, this is one of the reasons why I've added spinach into the smoothie, because along with vitamins and minerals, smoothie has antioxidant aspects as well, which will help boost your brain and nervous system. So depending on your requirement, like I've told, you can have smoothie in the evening, or if you want to say smoothie మార్నింగ్ కూడా తాగుతాను, ఈవినింగ్ కూడా తాగుతాను అంటే ట్రై అండ్ రెడ్యూస్ ది అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ బనానా ఇన్ దట్. పుట్ హాఫ్ బనానా ఇన్ ద మార్నింగ్ స్మూతీ, హాఫ్ బనానా ఇన్ ది ఈవినింగ్ స్మూతీ, యాజ్ యూ వాంట్ ఇట్. ఆర్ హ్యావ్ అ హోల్ ఫ్రూట్ ఇన్ ద మార్నింగ్ అండ్ హ్యావ్ అ స్మూతీ ఇన్ ది ఈవినింగ్, యాజ్ యూ వాంట్ ఇట్.